Hello, and welcome to an information session on the newest product from LifeVantage, collagen. My name is Gail Pearson, and I'm a New Zealand trained anaesthetist, and I've got a passion in natural health. But before I start, I need to say that this is for information only, and these products do not intend to cure, prevent, or treat or mitigate any diseases. Now, I'm going to be covering why we need collagen, and more specifically, why the LifeVantage collagen, what gives it its edge. Now, collagen is a structural protein that makes up about 25 to 35% of the proteins in your body. It's produced from the amino acids or the small fractions as building blocks that we take in as our food. And as we know, as we get a little bit older, over the age of about 30, our production of collagen declines. And then we also see a decline in collagen density. And what does that mean? We get wrinkles and sagging skin. Now, what else do we see other than the skin in terms of collagen? Well, collagen is a compound in a lot of different parts of our body, including the bones, including the joints, including hair, the vascular system, and also the gut. So it's a very important part of our makeup. Now, I want you to have a look to see why True Science collagen is superior and unique. And that's because of the science. LifeVantage is very good at doing good scientific studies to make sure that we have the top class products. And I'm going to cover how it activates, replenishes, and maintains collagen. So let's have a look, first of all, at activates. So it uses nutrigenomic principles. Nutrigenomics is nutrition or nutritional products affecting your genes, nutrigenomics. And what it does is it does in a nutrigenomic fashion, like our other products, the NRF1, the NRF2, and NAD. They all work at naturally genetic pathways. This collagen activates the genes responsible for collagen production. Okay? It activates the genes responsible for collagen production. There's nothing else like this. It also replenishes. And this is what the normal market approach is. Usually they just replenish the collagen that's been lost. But it also maintains, meaning that it slows down and minimizes existing collagen breaking down. So it activates, replenishes, and maintains. So how does it activate? Well, they found a specific grain called the ruby red quinoa, which is an amazing compound which unlocks the cell's ability to absorb collagen. And it also activates collagen synthesis, ruby red quinoa extract. So let's delve into the science a little bit more with that ruby red quinoa. And for those people who like numbers and who like science, this is a little bit of the actual enzymes that are promoted, the genes that are promoted in terms of collagen synthesis. Now, first of all, it activates collagen synthesis. It stimulates the fibroblasts. Now, the fibroblasts are little organelles within the dermis, which is sort of like the mid layer of the skin, and that's responsible for the structural part of the skin. So if you look at the skin as akin to a mattress, you have the top layer, you have the middle layer, and then you have the springs. And the fibroblasts are in the springs, so they provide the structure for the skin. If they start to decrease in function and don't function well, then the mattress will sag, and it's the same with your skin. There are genes there, TGM1, KRT1, KRT10. They're all activated and upregulated, which means they're stimulated 5 times. SOD, that's superoxide dismutase, and you will have heard of me talking about this enzyme. It's an antioxidant enzyme. It's an enzyme that you produce in your own body. It's not like taking it, you're actually making your own antioxidant enzyme. That's activated 2,700%. That's done in cell studies, so we've got a very good figure for that. Catalase, again, is an antioxidant enzyme, 202%. And that increases the collagen production. So ruby red quinoa also absorbs collagen, and that's via this gene, the MMP9. So it's pretty amazing stuff, the ruby red quinoa. Where does the replenishing come from? It comes from a marine collagen. We're using white fish. These are sustainably sourced, and that provides 10 different types of collagen. Now, the major type of collagen that humans have is type 1 collagen. About 90% of our collagen is type 1. And mainly because we have a lot of bony structure, so it comes within our bones. So the fish collagen peptides, they provide amino acids to support the collagen density, elasticity. Elasticity is a good little test is to just pinch the skin on the back of your hand and to see how long it'll stay up tented for, and then just release it. That's a good test of elasticity of your skin. Now, it's also full of berries, and it has an apple berry flavor. These are all great antioxidants that are in there as well. So we're not only making antioxidants, we're also putting in extra antioxidants, and it slows the breakdown of your existing collagen to assist in maintaining what you still have. So what we have is we're going to flip genes that make the collagen. We're going to flood the cells with collagen, and we're going to forestall breakdown. So I call it a 3F approach. We're flipping, we're flooding, and we're forestalling. What's not in it? There's no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, non-GMO, dairy-free, it's gluten-free, and it's soy-free as well. Now, people say, well, why is it a liquid? Well, it's extremely easy to take. As I said, it's an appleberry flavor. It comes as a one shot. You can have it very easily as a liquid. If it's broken down in small hydrolyzed fragments, it's much easier to digest because it has to go through the stomach before the nutrition is absorbed. So what they've done is they've made the particles smaller so that they are easily absorbed. And that's called bioavailability. So it means that the nutrients are absorbed at the maximum. So what does it do? Well, here are the whole way of things that it does do: reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, prevents collagen breakdown, improves elasticity, improves skin moisture, tone and texture, helps against damaging effects of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a big word these days. We've been talking a lot about it with the NRF2 activation, and now we've got it in a skin production. Supports healthy hair and nails and promotes a youthful appearance. And who wants to look well? You know, your skin is one of the first things that people see. It gives you confidence. And, you know, as you age, you want to age well. You want to look good. So why not? But too many words. Let's have a look at some pictures. On the left, I want you to have a look at this male, and specifically looking around his eyes at his crow's feet. Within 15 days, those crow's feet have gone virtually. Pretty phenomenal. On the right, again, more crow's feet that certainly decreased, and also around the smile lines as well, around the mouth. These pictures have all been taken without filters and no face makeup, and hopefully in the same light as well, to give you a really good picture of exactly what this can do. So these were done in a clinical study when they took a whole lot of participants with different ages, different ethnicities, different genders. And this is what they found. They found that the collagen density was increased by 42%, the depth of crow's feet reduced by 22%, skin roughness decreased, blood catalase, which is the antioxidant enzyme, increased by 202%, and the skin elasticity was increased. Pretty phenomenal. More results. Let's have a look at this lady around the eyes, especially within 2 weeks. So we're getting results very, very quickly with this. And with the nutrigenomic products, if people can't see results, they often are a little bit reluctant to continue them, even though we know that they're working at the cellular level. Look at the right there, look at the forehead lines, virtually gone. And that's within 15 days as well. So we recommend probably 2 weeks for this. So between 2 weeks, you might see changes, but 2 months, you will certainly see changes. So if we're seeing these things on the outside, what do you think might be happening on the inside in terms of your bone, in terms of your gut, in terms of your vascular system, in terms of your cartilages, and more? Neck wrinkles, eye wrinkles, pretty phenomenal. Let's have a look at it and to see how it stacks up and compares with other liquid collagens that are on the market. As I said, it's made from white fish. It's got 10 different types of collagen, and it's the only product on the market that will activate and maintain collagen production. And it's in a liquid form, so easy to take. So way superior to anything else. There is nothing that will come anywhere close to activating your own collagen production. So how do you get it? Well, it's currently available through the US market. We can get it in New Zealand as well and in Canada. These are the prices. I would recommend getting a 3-month bundle if you can to start off with. It's cheaper that way. And also it gives you a really good start to see what the actual effects actually are. And who doesn't want gorgeous glowing skin? Who wants your skin to look beautiful and hydrated and protected against the effects of oxidative stress? Now, if you want more information, go to that website, activatedlife.net, or if you want to know how to get it, just go back to the person who's introduced you. And we have another product called the NRF2, which is also a nutrigenomic product. This was the flagship product. And this acts as a master genetic regulator, completely natural. And it also increases your antioxidant enzymes as well as a myriad of other functions. So what we're doing with this is we are getting to the cellular level to increase your antioxidant production. You are making your own antioxidants. And that's not all. This activation company does it throughout the whole range of their products, whether that be skincare, whether that be hair care, whether that be the anti-aging products, whether that be immune health. They're cutting edge science. They're well backed in terms of their scientific abilities. And these products are phenomenal. It's a great company. It's been around a long time. It's robust. It's newish, so a lot of people don't know about this. They don't understand about a nutrigenomic approach, which is a totally different way of looking at health. And I want you to activate your wellness inside and out. So please get back to the person who recommended you to this video, and let's get going. Thank you.